I have the OnePlus Watch 2, and let me show you how to name an alarm. So if you have multiple alarms, you might want to name them so that when the alarm goes off, you can actually see the name of the alarm. So press the main button at the top there to go to the main menu, and then look for the alarm icon, tap on it, and then you should see alarm or your alarms there. So select the alarm you want to name, and on the edit page, go to name and give your alarm a name. So for instance, I'll give this one a name like WebPro. And then tap on the check mark, and then tap on the check mark again, and that's the name of our alarm. So when the alarm goes off, let me just set it up. Let me put it for 8:42. AM, then tap on the check mark, and then let's see what happens when that alarm goes off. So you can see the alarm has gone off, and as you can see, the name of the alarm is going to show right there. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.